Hello and welcome to everyone. First of all, thanks for taking the course. I am Shuman Ahmed with you. Hi guys, today I will show you how turn on a LED and turn off LED using single push button switch. In this circuit I used one piece CD4017 counter IC, 3 pieces resistors, 1 piece push button switch, 1 piece LED, and necessary wires. We should know the pinout of CD4017 IC. Before we start circuit design, let's explain about IC pinout. CD4017 IC provides 10 digital output pins to interfaces digital circuit. All violet color pins are digital output interfaces. 8 number pin used for 0 voltage, and 16 number pin used for input power, 13 number pin used for clock enable, and 14 number pin used for input clock pulse, and 15 number pin is the master reset to the IC. Let's start circuit design in Proteus Simulator. First we import all components from library. Now step by step connect all components, as per our circuit records. Always first connect power wire, according IC pins. Here 16 number pin is input power, and 8 number pin is 0 voltage. So, connecting these to power, and ground voltage. In Proteus Simulator provides, automatically power from virtual machine. Next I connect 3 number pin to LED, 14 number pin to push switch. I used resistor for pulled up ground. When button is released, the enable pin to ground by 10K resistor. And 5 voltage used for button input power. Let's simulate the circuit. I also make this circuit in practical on breadboard. Let's check the practical circuit. Hi guys, hope you enjoys my lecture. Please let me tells your opinions. And if you really enjoys this video, please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watch.